7 important tips on carpet grass maintenance, updated. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for those of you who have carpet grass in your homes or gardens. Proper maintenance is a key to keeping your carpet grass looking lush and vibrant. In this video, we'll share 7 important tips on carpet grass maintenance to help you achieve a beautiful and healthy lawn. 1. Regular mowing. Keeping your carpet grass at the right height is crucial for its overall health. Aim to mow it once every 2 weeks, but adjust the frequency based on the growth rate and weather conditions. 2. Adequate watering. Carpet grass requires sufficient water to thrive. Water deeply and infrequently, ensuring the soil is adequately moist without being waterlogged. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to fungal growth and disease. 3. Fertilization. Applying a balanced fertilizer helps provide essential nutrients for the carpet grass. Choose a slow-release fertilizer and follow the recommended application rates to avoid excessive growth or damage. 4. Weed control. Regularly inspect your carpet grass for weeds and promptly remove them. Weeds compete for nutrients and space, which can affect the health and appearance of your lawn. 5. Aeration. Over time, the soil beneath your carpet grass can become compacted, hindering root growth. Perform aeration by using a garden fork or aerator to create small holes, allowing better air and water circulation. 6. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases that can affect carpet grass, such as grubs or fungal infections. Consult with professionals if you notice any signs of damage or discoloration. 7. Regular maintenance. Finally, remember to perform regular maintenance tasks, such as raking leaves, removing debris, and edging the lawn. These simple actions contribute to the overall health and aesthetics of your carpet grass. Conclusion. By following these 7 important tips on carpet grass maintenance, you can ensure a vibrant and healthy lawn. Remember to mow regularly, provide adequate water, fertilize appropriately, control weeds, perform aeration, manage pests and diseases, and maintain the lawn's overall cleanliness. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful in achieving a beautiful carpet grass lawn.